Module number 12, the art of storytelling. Now you might have seen a video similar to this one, but I want to help you tell a great story, whether or not you're telling a story to your staff, your customers, your prospects, if you're running a workshop. There's a structure you can use to really make it compelling for any type of personality in the room. And wouldn't that be great for you? So any type of, people love stories, right? So tell a great story. So, there's a bit of a formula that I learned when I did my certification around speaking and training, and it's called FORMAT. Look it up. It's a 4MAT. And it's a really, really simple way to be able to explain. You can run a training, explain your product. It's a really, really effective way to run workshops. But it's the same. It's sales. It's like kind of like, you're telling a story, but it's a structured way to go about it. So where we start is always with the why. You have to start with the why. We get so many people in sales get into the products and the features and the benefits. The benefits is great, but the features and the specs and I know in IT, all that stuff. But I want to talk about why. Why does our brand exist? Why has this product or service come to life? Benefits. And when we're talking about the why, we want to be covering 6 different areas. We want to do it in the way by asking a question. We want to be doing it by telling a story. We want to be doing it by offering up a contrast frame. What if you did this? What if you didn't? We want to be offering statistics. People love statistics. Well, not all people love statistics, but certain people love the statistics. Can you guess who might? We want to be putting up a quote. Like everyone loves a quote. A quote. And then we also want to future pace them. And if you were to use this product or service, how do you think it'd be in the future? From there, we go into the what, the description of whatever our product or service is. May not even be a product or service. You might be running a training or a workshop, and you might be explaining a concept or a new procedure or a new process. So you want to give the what is it? And you want to give that short. And then from there, it's how. It's like delivering the how for them. How can they do it? How do they engage with you? So first step, if you're interested in what we're doing, first step, next time you have an opportunity, whether or not it's buying a car or whether or not it's buying a computer product, I just think back to IT land. Well, all you need to do is send through an email to us. From there, we'll send you through a couple of different options with some pricing. Once you've had a look at it, we'll get one of our technical consultants to give you a call and go through the different mechanics of it. And then from there, it's entirely up to you to choose what way you want to go forward. And you present all the options in such a way like that. And then you ask them, so what would it be like for you if you were to go ahead and buy this product or service? How would that help you in your organization right now? And you get them to start thinking about what it would be like to have your product or service in their business or the product or service in their hands. And you start future pacing them into actually believing that they've got it right now and starting to imagine what it would be like for them and whether or not, they start to, the neurology go, oh, well, actually solve my problem. I wouldn't be able to have to worry about this anymore. And then I'd be able to focus my time on dun, 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 dun. And then they're future pacing into your product or service. So, it's a bit of a structure around it. It takes some time. It's a lot more complex than that, but it's all through the storytelling. So tell stories, give examples. People love it. And I think it's one of those things where you're not pitching, you're just telling a story, and being able to tell a great story is something that everybody loves. So I encourage you to tell a great story, to explain your product or service, to sell to a new customer, to run a training, run a workshop, just to help really help your message get through in a really clear way to all the different types of personalities that might be existing in the room, or the different types of personalities in the organizations you're working with.